This is Kelly, the teen librarian at the Wichita Falls Public Library, here for another Crafteen Tuesday. Today we will be making DIY mini calming glitter jars. You will need a jar or clear container, glitter, food dye or watercolor if you want to add more color to it, and some water. First, we're going to add some of our glitter into the container. Alright, so I have some glitter in there. And then we're going to fill this about 1/3 to halfway with water. I'm going to add in 1 drop of food coloring. If you don't have food coloring, then that's where the watercolor comes in. You can also add that in to add some extra color. And you can always add more color later if you need to, and you can always add more glitter if you need to as well. Now we're going to add more water in. Make sure to leave some room at the top so that it won't overflow when you put the cork in. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. You can stir it if you need to with like a toothpick or a Q-tip, or you can put the top on and shake it a little bit. So it's dispersing in there a little bit, but you can just move it around, and here we have our calming glitter jars. You can keep this as a glitter jar, or you can also turn it into a small little terrarium. If you want to keep it as a glitter jar though, I would suggest gluing the cork in to make sure that the water or glitter doesn't fall out. I will have craft bags for these on the youth side of the service desk. It's going to include a baggie of glitter and the little mini jars. I hope you guys enjoyed today's craft, and I'll see you guys next time.